Minasan konnichiwa. Watashi wa Yoshiku desu. So, quick heads up, short video, just explaining a few things. Sundays or weekends is probably the only video you guys are going to be getting this Sunday, like forever, pretty much. But I do want to do more practice on the weekends for the weekdays races. But yeah, nothing too big today. Not gonna show you guys race because it was basically just practicing my braking and consistency on the Nuremberg ring. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. So race weekend is tomorrow on the Nuremberg. Hopefully I could actually get some good laps and times in for qualifying and free practice. But I did the second race on Hungaro ring. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it properly now. Had to do that over and over and over again just to get that pronunciation right. But yeah, today no race. Pretty much that's about it. Tomorrow I'm going to see how I could get setups going. I didn't think I'd actually want to get setups going this early into the career. Well, it's like about 50 something percent, I think, for career. So another 50% and we'll be done. I'm just hoping to see at least one JP track in there. Hopefully Suzuka. Because I don't think we raced on Suzuka yet. Or any other JP track for that matter. But yeah. You guys enjoy the rest of your week or day, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you all in tomorrow's Nuremberg ring. It's not the full thing. I was hoping it'd be the full thing because that would be awesome. But I guess I'll have to wait to see if there will be a full thing, full race for the whole track of it. I'm pretty sure it's not a DLC. I'm gonna have to check again to see if it is. I'm pretty sure when they did release it, it was free. So I'm gonna have to check again, see if I have to buy the DLC. But I highly doubt it. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in tomorrow's Nuremberg race. Yamata.